when we speak to the older people, when we speak to our friends, or when we speak to the younger people, of course, the way we speak will be different. The guidance to speak with politeness is mentioned in the Al-Quran, Surah Al-Isra 28. And if you must turn away from the needy, awaiting mercy from your Lord which you expect, then speak to them a gentle word. Politeness is how people try to be polite so that social interactions go smoothly. It focuses on how we avoid our utterances that might sound rude or too direct. Based on Brown and Levinson, the study of politeness strategy discusses about faith, which refers to a person's self-esteem or sense of dignity. So, when we are speaking, we consider how to avoid offending our listeners. There are two kinds of faith: positive faith and negative faith. Positive faith is the one to be liked, appreciated, and accepted by others, while negative faith, the one to have freedom. However, in our daily communication, there is always the potential to impose to the listeners. This is called as an FTA, faith-threatening act. Therefore, to minimize the burden to the listeners, we need to consider on using politeness strategies. There are 4 kinds of politeness strategies. First is pause on record. Second is positive politeness. Third, negative politeness. And the last is off record. Let's discuss them one by one and start from pause on record. In pause on record, we speak straight to the point or direct talk. Sometimes it sounds like a rude, but in a really situation or a risky situation, we need to use pause on record strategy. For example, when there is a fire, someone just shouts, "Fire! Fire!" In this example, the speaker might act clearly, directly, and firmly by consideration of the urgency of the situation. The second strategy is positive politeness strategies. Positive politeness strategies function to show friendliness, closeness, and intimacy between the speaker and the listener. In positive politeness, there are 15 types of strategies. Notice and attend to hearer, exaggerate, intensify interest to hearer, use in group identity markers, seek agreement, avoid disagreement, presuppose or arise or assert common ground, joke, assert to or presuppose speaker's knowledge and concern for hearers one. Offer and promise, be optimistic, include both speaker and hearer in the activity, give or ask reasons, assume or assert reciprocity, and the last give to hearer. The example of positive politeness strategy is, "Hey, you did a great job." This utterance shows that the speaker appreciates the listener's effort and achievement, which functions to build closeness, sense of appreciations, and positive social relationships. The third is negative politeness strategies. The strategy aims to show a distance between the speaker and the hearer. It can be social distance between the speaker to the hearer. There are 10 kinds of strategies here. Conventionally indirect, hedge, be pessimistic, minimize the imposition, give deference, apologize, impersonalize speaker and hearer, state the FTA as general rule, normalize, and the last is go on record as incurring a debt. The example of negative politeness strategy. "Excuse me, sir, would you mind to repeat the explanation?" It shows negative politeness strategy by maintaining distance, being respectful, and avoiding imposing to the listener. And the last is off-record strategy. This strategy is demonstrated by saying something indirectly. For example, "It's hot here." The sentence means that the speaker wants hearer to turn on the air conditioner.